Plans are being made to relocate the Nelson Mandela Park located in Halfway Tree. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made this assertion during the National Labour Day activities, which focused on the cleanup of the current park.
The park is named in honor of one of the greatest human beings to have ever lived, certainly in my own opinion, my own personal hero, Nelson Mandela. As it is now, the park is not reflective of the dignity of someone like Nelson Mandela. So we're going to do some temporary improvements and repairs, but it won't be substantial.
He noted that the current location needs to be reconfigured to better serve Jamaicans.
The truth is that we have to be thinking about how we reconfigure this urban space of Halfway Tree. Certainly for the improvement of traffic, the efficiency of movement for pedestrians, and to improve accessibility of business places, and to improve the streetscape, and just to improve the general urban space.
He noted that the park needs a more spacious venue that can have all the features of a proper park and be a more fitting tribute to the late South African President Nelson Mandela.
The park where it is not necessarily in the best location. And in the reconfiguration, we may have to think about a relocation of the park.
This year's Labor Day was recognized under the theme Reigniting a Nation of Greatness, Protecting Our Heritage and Environment. Our team was out and about capturing some of the activities, and we take a look at Spanish Town and Portmore.
We're in the Riversdale community, and we are working on the natural bridge, which is one of the only bridge in Jamaica, one of its kind in Jamaica, and I think the Caribbean at large.
The historical fact behind the bridge, it was naturally formed by geographical weathering, a geographical process over the years. And we don't have a monument like this in the island of Jamaica, which was naturally formed.
See around us, we have the cadets, we have JDF working with us, we have parish council workers here, and few laborers are here helping to paint the bridge, the natural bridge. It's 150 steps down, but it's beautiful at the bottom. And so we're trying to upgrade, clean up all the areas here.
A part of our mandate is to assist the community. And so here it gives us an opportunity to assist the parish of St. Catherine in just beautifying, as the Prime Minister had indicated, with the mandate for this Labor Day 2022.
The idea of Labor Day, of course, is about bringing communal spirits together, the effort of community participation. What is happening here, of course, is a collaboration. The Member of Parliament, Mr. Robert Miller, we, of course, partnered and would have contributed various resources to all the projects across Southeast St. Catherine.
It shows that good civic pride is not dead in Jamaica, and it shows that if we should collaborate, like myself and Mr. Edwards, we are from separate political parties, but we are joining today for one cause. One parish council, one team, one dream, one Portmore. Yeah, one Waterford.
We want to move the look that it has now and to bring that ambience to the Waterford police station. Today we see the citizens coming out, and which is a partnership, will be a continuous partnership. Because what we want to do within the Waterford Police District is moving people from an ascribed status to an achieved status.
I came here some months ago and saw the condition of the building and decided that it needed painting.
It's going to be an ongoing project, especially when it comes to the health center. We are going to schedule a Saturday where we're going to come and do the interior. Today we are going to concentrate on the exterior. We're going to finish the exterior today, but it's going to be an ongoing project, this health center.
The Lions Club of Portmore is a service-oriented club, and as part of our service project, the Portmore Daycare and Preschool is one of our signature projects. And so today we have decided to work from home in giving our project, our daycare, a lift.
Persons passing will see us because we have brighter colors, and they will realize that yes, we are here to serve the community.